Okay, so today we're going to talk a little bit about how to integrate your funnel with your website. And it's not a super complex process, and I think after a very short explanation, you'll understand how it works. First, though, I want to kind of show you a little bit of a diagram that represents my website and my funnel that I use coming off of my main page and off of Google Ads, Facebook as well. Basically, it drives to a simple squeeze page that goes to a sales page that continues around here and goes into a split to figure out if we can get to a meeting. Now that's really key because that's what my business is all about, is having that initial strategy meeting with somebody to get their attention and make sure that number one, I'm a good fit for them, and number two, they're a good fit for me. But also that we prep things moving forward to be able to handle, the changes that they're going to need. Now, what I have up here on the whiteboard behind me, sorry, aging myself, is essentially you have off of your home page a series of links up at the top. And in this case, we're going to talk about a product page. We're going to link off of here, and we're going to come over to a simple product page that has a series of different products, each with its own description. And person can go ahead and click into that. Now, they'll drive over to a product page that's an actual sales page, which the image is the same here and here. The description is over here. We have if you want to get into the product, you can go ahead and buy it, fill out your credit card information, and it'll be fine. So you hit the submit button. Now it sends it over to a thank you page, but it's more of a thank you, but wait. Here's where we put value into it and add more money into the cart than what we had before. We're going to add in, say, along with this product, we're going to add in videos and MP3s of those videos so people can carry this information around with them and make it more mobile friendly in order to be able to deal with this. And maybe a white paper or two and a case study. And we're going to hit a submit button. And then one of two things is going to happen depending upon your strategy. You're either going to go to a thank you page, right? Or you're going to link over to a one-time offer page that this is where usually your time is involved. And there's money involved in this one-time offer as well. So that will then link to a thank you page. Now you may say to yourself, okay, so what, right? Well, let's look at this simple product page because this is something that's really easy here. Maybe our product is, we don't want to spend a lot of money. We don't want to ask a lot of money for it. So maybe it's supposed to be $50, but we're going to say, no, it's $19. Okay? That's not a lot of money to ask somebody who's already come into your system, right? And then but wait, the videos and things like this, that might generate another, say, $10. So now we got $29 in the cart. That's not bad. If we come over here to this one-time order, this one is where the investment is. Let's say it's $297. Okay? So we've got $297 plus 10 is $307 and 19. What is that? $326, I think it is, if my math is correct. So you've got $326 in the pipe here direct from a product. But there's another way to go about this that actually helps you because it puts more emphasis in there and allows you to get more traction without having to necessarily go through that simple process. Let's say we have an ad on your homepage, and it's the same one that goes out here on Facebook and Google. Now, we're going to want this ad. These are people that don't know anything about us. They're not even on our homepage. They don't know the first thing about it, okay, on here. And we're just going to duplicate that ad. Both of them are going to come into what we call a squeeze page. That squeeze page is to squeeze them into the funnel that's going to get them into a buying process. We're going to ask for their name and their email, okay? It's the same information we would ask for over here. But the difference is this is just, we want the basic stuff here. And what we're going to offer is going to be free. There's no cost on this. Okay, so that's a major thing. We then, when they submit, one thing that happens is it links them over to a sales page. But in our case, it drops them down into the database that includes the ability to be able to email these people and do different things. Okay, this is for later on, which is really important. Now, once we got to a sales page, we're going to have a video here. And that video is going to be of us actually saying, thanks for doing this. We appreciate you, signing up for this, and we're going to get that out to you. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you should have it in your inbox. But for the moment, and then we do something we call an authority amplifier video, which is to set the tone for what's going to be coming. What other services we have, what other offers we might be making. And offers are generally much larger in value than they are in cost. So we're going to click into this video. They're going to be able to see it. And they've already got their name and email. So do they want to go and buy it? Yes. We send them over to the appropriate product page, which now they are, in this case, it's maybe $19. Maybe we're selling a book. I don't know. Books are easy to do. You can get books anywhere. Excuse me. And then go through the same process. This is an example of a funnel that comes about when somebody doesn't know you. And you're offering something free in order to entice them into your funnel. This one's a product funnel off your main page. This one's a product funnel off of your ads. And you can put them on your own homepage. I mean, you can scatter them throughout the website. It's not like it's really a big deal. But the process is duplicated. Once you get here, everything is the same. Now, the idea of the funnel is that you're creating a sales environment. One that your best salesperson that never takes a day off, works 24/7, doesn't get sick, doesn't ask for a vacation, doesn't ask for anything. The key is that this is just a single purpose thing. We only want them to have one choice or no choice. In any case, we're driving them, right? The product page, this is going to link back over to our database as well. And our product page is going to become the key of everything we have here. We're going to ask for the credit card once. That's it. We just want their credit card once. Now, why do we want it just once? The thing is that once you pull out your credit card and you're willing to buy, kind of like your name and your email, once you're willing to give up something, it's much easier to give it up again. Okay? So what we're going to be looking at here in this process is we're going to look for names. We're looking for an email. And we're looking for a credit card number. Because these three things are going to be the key for us to grow the relationship later on. Now that's really the idea behind integrating a website with a funnel and making your funnel, which actually technically starts here, to drive all the way to a thank you page to get what we want. Maybe it's just a meeting, like I said. Maybe it's a phone call, or maybe it's real honest to goodness dollars. Go figure. In any case, the key of everything is this whole funnel, driving the process all the way to thank you. My name is Randy Bridges with L5 Consulting. Thanks so much and have a great day.